Hello, it is a program for Arduino and here I am putting a delay of 500 and delay of 100. It is a testing program for Arduino and it is a very traditional one, so I am testing it. So what I will do it, I will transfer this program to Arduino, clicking here upload, and this program will get transferred to the Arduino. So the program has been successfully transferred, and now I will show you the video how it is getting wirelessly working without the power of laptop. See here, the Arduino is powered using this AC voltage supply, and this is the 5-volt transformer supply, and this is the Arduino board, and see clearly that no USB port is connected and it is blinking the LED at a regular interval.